This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 22 of Building Robocop. This is, I believe, the final part of adding the details and covers to the left leg, or the lower left leg anyway. Let's find out. But first of all, we're going to look at the soundtrack, or rather listen to the soundtrack, or read about listening to the soundtrack. I don't know. I can hear the iconic theme, but I can't hear any other incidental music in it, which probably means that it worked quite well if you can't hear it and can't remember it. So yes, we've got three other cover pieces to put over to cover gaps in the leg. They just snap in place, and then that's pretty much got to be finished, isn't it? Yeah, I believe that's probably it. So next time, I wonder if we're going to be continuing up the leg, or if we're going to be starting on the other leg, or doing another arm, or also it could be absolutely anything. Looking at quadruped robots, obviously, it's easier than bipeds because they don't fall over nearly so much. But that, from the mind to the world, mind control, that's got to be the thing, isn't it? You've got to be able to think about things when it happen. That's just going to be great. I don't know about driving though, but yeah, for normal day-to-day stuff, that's going to be really good. So that is that. There is one other thing in this issue as well. There is a second binder, which I'll show you. It's the same as the first one, but I'll show you in a moment anyway. But let me clear this out of the way first. Yep, just three parts in this issue. We've got the back piece that covers over the back of the leg up the top there. Like so, that will just pop in place with two pins. A bit like that. And we've got these two pieces that go on the side, one at the top. Obviously, they only go one way round to cover that main top screw hole, which has got fake screws on it, which is quite cool. So that's going to go on there a bit like that. Might be not be quite lined up right, or not. I'm not pushing it in the right direction. Two pins there that go into the two holes there. Got to be like that. I should just have to push it harder. I should do that in a moment. And the other final piece is the lower armor piece there, which goes on a bit like that. So that's that. That has glued on there. It's stuck. I'm not entirely convinced it's going to stay stuck, but hopefully it will be okay. We'll find out as the time goes by. Hopefully I won't have to deal with this for a little while anyway. But as I said, another slipcase. I have attached number 2 to it. It doesn't actually say that I can see how many issues go in each, but judging by when it came and how full the other one was, I'm going to put 20 in there. So 21 and 22 will start off our second volume of Robocop. Instruction manuals and detailed stuff. It's always nice to keep. So that's that. Another issue done, another delivery done. So thank you very much for joining me on this. I'll see you for the next part of this in about a month. Other than that, other part works are available between now and then. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.